Sadly, 1 in 3 people over 65 falls every single year, and a single fall can steal your independence overnight. And most people wait until after a fall to do something about it. There are many different balance exercises to choose from, but the one I'm going to show you works on many facets of balance all at the same time. It's going to work on your dynamic balance, which is just keeping your body steady while your arms move and shift your center of gravity. We're going to work on proprioception. It trains your brain and joints to sense where you are in space without having to look at your feet. We're going to focus on reactive control because your body has to react and balance itself right now when a sudden movement happens. And it's also going to work on hand-eye coordination, which integrates visual tracking with core and lower body stability. So in this video, I'm going to show you this very simple move, and you're going to have a lot of fun with it as well. Then I'm going to show you how to make it a little bit easier and maybe a little bit harder. But wherever you do, keep practicing. When you get to your 70s, you're going to thank yourself for taking the time to work on this incredible move so that you can stay independent for many years to come. And if you haven't met, I'm Gavin. I co-own New Zealand's only fitness studio for people over the age of 40. And like many things, balance is a challenge for many of my clients. So let's head to the gym. I'm going to show you how to do the move. Now, if you're somebody that is worrying about your strength in general, I've got a free strength guide that's been downloaded 20,000 times. If you would like a copy of that, just comment strength down below. I'll send it to you absolutely free. So all you need to do this exercise is a ball or something that you can throw in the air, something to help you with your balance and just your body weight, okay? Very, very simple. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to stand on one leg, okay? And what I like to do is that the leg closest to the chair or bench I'm using will come off the floor. So this will give me the stability I need if I need to put my hand on the thing, right? And all I want you to do is look straight ahead, okay? And you're going to try and, number one, do this without holding on. And you're just going to throw a ball up in the air and catch it. Left side and right side. And you can see my hand-eye coordination is going. I'm trying to keep myself balanced on one foot, okay, while things are in the air. And this is where we talk about those 4 facets of balance, okay? It's really, really effective. Then what you're doing, you're going to swap sides, obviously, okay? You obviously turn around and do the same thing. And you're going to find that one side is way better than the other. This is easier for me than the other side. Now, once you've done that, you're going to try and do it for about 60 seconds on each side. Take a little bit of a rest and repeat it 2 more times. That's all you're going to do. And you're going to be wobbly and it's going to take, loads of effort, lots of concentration. You're going to feel muscles start to work, but that is the whole point. And once you get a little bit better at doing that, what I want you to do is exactly the same, but against a wall. So what I'm going to do this time, I'll have obviously maybe a tennis ball and I'm going to throw it against the wall and catch it, okay? And it's okay if you need to put your foot down a little bit, but ideally, okay, that's what you're going to do. You're going to swap legs and do the same thing. Whoop. And again, very, very challenging. Have a little bit of fun with it, okay? It's a really great exercise to improve your balance. But make sure, though, if you are a little bit frailer, there's somebody there to support you, or you've got things around that you can hold on to as you do it, okay? But it's a really, really good exercise. And everybody that I do this with in the gym improves their balance super fast. In 6 to 8 weeks, you're already doing way better than they were at the start. So if you like the video, let me know in the comments, okay? Let me know what you struggled with and what worked for you, okay? But if you made it this far, I just want to let you know quickly about my Lifelong Strong community. It's a community of people all over 40, 50, 60, 70 years of age, okay, all working out together. They're communicating, they're collaborating, okay. It's a fantastic space I've created because, like my gym here, is a community of people where we make friendships, where there's programs. Everything is designed for you by me, okay? You're going to get a monthly new workout to follow, support and accountability. You can ask me questions at any time about anything, get direct access to me, which you also have the opportunity to speak to other people on the same journey as you. And when you got support like that with good workouts and structure, you cannot fail, right? Because it's very difficult to cobble together all these bits of information from the internet and put it together for yourself. It drives you crazy, but I'm doing that for you. I'm giving you structure, progression, modifications and support, and when you have all those things together, you're never gonna fail. And I'm also offering a free 7-day trial, so you could just jump in. We'll have a communication with everybody that starts. What's your goals? How can I help? You can have a look around, introduce yourself, see what's actually happening, see the real people getting some fantastic wins within that community. And if you feel after 7 days it isn't for you, you can cancel at any time. But if you feel it is for you, then just hang around. Very, very affordable, about $6 or $7 US per week, okay? Cancel at any time. So if you're somebody that really wants to get started and you want all the support and guidance around it, then all you need to do is hit the link in the description and in the first comment. Join up, do your 7 days, and who knows, maybe this is a place for you to get stronger and fitter and hopefully be strong for life. Now I'm going to leave a video in the top left hand corner which I think you're going to like, so head over there and I'll see you very shortly.